Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the latest key that you're going to be getting with your W206 C-Class and also your V223 S-Class. And the future models in the future when they launch, you'll be getting this key. So on here we have the lock, unlock and the boot opening of your key. At the back you have your casing where you can actually remove the battery if you would like to change, and that is what I'd like to show you in today's video. Stay tuned. Okay, so here you have the key with you. You have to rotate it to the back. You will see a silver button where you can actually press onto it, pull out the key and take the cover off with your hand. Once you're done, you'll take back that same key that you just pulled out. There's a groove where you can slot in to remove this black casing off, where it's actually a cover for the battery. Now you can actually just tilt the key the other way around, the battery will fall off. And when you're about to change your battery and put it back in, you have to make sure the positive side faces upwards. Then you take back that black cover that just came off, slot it back into that groove, put a little bit of force, push it back in, take back that black cover, turn it all the way the same way how you took it off, and put some force, press it down, select the silver button and push the key back in, and you're done.